Hello all, welcome back to yet another vlog of Desi Raahgir, and today is no other day. It's that too sunny outside. I thought of making something more special today, and what I would be making is a chicken tikka that would be an air fried, and it becomes way too delicious. We would be cooking it all together at home, and it would be a raw chicken. And I hope you like this video, and if you do, please hit the subscribe button and do share it with your friends and family. What is happening at the moment right now is this, that yes, everyone watch the video, they like it, they love it, but they don't share it further. Neither they drop a like or a thumbs up button. So please do that, and please to hit the bell icon to get notified to my videos. I thought of making this video in English language rather than Hindi. Thought of going it further beyond. I got many friends who are international and who think that yes, that my language is being a barrier to them and they are not able to make things. Let's get started. Next step is to mix the material. Let the chicken rest for 15 minutes at least, and if you have time, keep it for 1 hour. And if you do not have time, you can use it just after mixing it. I mixed the material and kept it for 30 minutes, but the salt was less, so I added 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Now I will add the black pepper and the fenugreek leaves, often known as kasuri methi, into it, and we'll mix it and we'll keep it for another 2 minutes. Well, there's a bonus tip. We can add some fresh cream into it to make it much more appealing and delicious if the chicken cuts are made properly. It will go deep into it and it will make it more tastier. We are going to make a slurry from corn flour and all-purpose flour, often known as maida, and we'll take breadcrumbs of 4 bread pieces. Take a chicken piece, dip it in slurry, cover it properly with the breadcrumbs, and try to cover it twice. This is how a piece will look
when you cover it with breadcrumbs twice. Let me complete it and I'll show you when it is done. As you can see, our part is done and we'll keep it in air fryer. I hope you remember we need to preheat our air fryer for at least 3 minutes. Let's preheat and add the chicken to it.
Oh, chicken is ready. We're ready to serve. चलो जी सर्व करते हैं.
If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell icon to be notified about my next video or the upcoming videos. Thank you for your time. Have a nice day.
हेलो ऑल, वेलकम बैक टू येट अनदर ब्लॉग ऑफ देसी राहगीर. एंड आज आपने, और अगर आपको एयर फ्राई करना है भाई लाइट भी ऑफ करिए. ब्लॉगिंग इज वेरी टफ.